Hello, today we're gonna take a look on how to replace the LCD screen of the Lenovo Yoga 515 IBD while keeping the touchscreen digitizer. After making sure the laptop is turned off and unplugged from power, we'll start by removing the small rubber bits covering the screws on the bottom corners of the screen bezel. Then, using a small Phillips screwdriver, we unscrew each side, exposing each corner by removing the plastic covers. Next, using a triangle paddle, we gently work our way to remove the long plastic cover, which is hiding the third screw under it. We make sure to unscrew that as well, which leads to the next step. Now, here's the tricky part. We need to push and slide the screen bezel upwards to release it from the back cover. We'll do that by holding the screen with our fingers and pushing it up with our thumbs, which will slide it open. So now we'll gently fold down the screen, which gives us access to the backside of the LCD along with the cables and connectors. This is the LCD connector that will unplug by peeling the clear tape holding it in place, then gently pulling it away. After that was removed, we continue by making sure to remove the tape and foil holding the webcam module in place and keeping it out of our way. Using a heat gun or a hairdryer, we'll apply heat on all four sides to soften up the glue holding the LCD in place. We continue by removing the LCD using a plastic pry tool to peel off the adhesive tape attached to the screen. Please be patient and gentle, as any excessive force might break the screen or the touch digitizer underneath, or might damage the cables. After removing the old LCD, we'll be left with the touchscreen digitizer glass that we'll have to make sure it stays clean without any dust particles, fingerprints or glue residue from the previous steps. We can use a bit of screen cleaning spray and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Next, we'll make sure that the replacement screen is ready to be installed by removing the protective clear film on top. We'll start by applying double-sided adhesive tape on all four sides of the screen. Please make sure to keep it evenly leveled by avoiding overlapping the tape and stay away from the transparent part so it won't cover the screen. After making sure everything is clean, peel off the other side of the tape on all sides. Then carefully place down the screen after making sure it's in the correct orientation and placement. Push down the screen downwards using a cloth to make sure it's attached to the glue and secured on all sides. I'd also like to put some thin foam on the back to make sure it's secure and absorb some shocks. We plug back the screen connector cable into place the way it was, and we make sure that the screen is glued tightly and that the cables are in the correct place near the hinges and corners. Then, we'll put back the webcam module and its cables into their place. Turn on your laptop and make sure the screen is working fine, and attach it to the back cover the same way we open it, but in reverse. Slide it down on the cover until it's tight and all the screw holes are aligned. We'll finish by putting the middle screw and clip on all the plastic covers. And finally, the side screws with their small rubber covers. Make sure it's all working good when you fold the screen in all modes, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.